Today is the second day of Polybag week, so today I have Easter chick egg with this Lego Polybag right here. I think this is free purchases in like March or something of this year, so 2021, for Easter. But I think it's in like a Lego stores only or something. But yeah, so I'm gonna show it to you guys today. So let's get right into it. So let me show you the Polybag real quick, like the outside and everything. So it says 30579 and an Easter chick egg right there, and it has 52 pieces. This is what it looks like right here. Just this chick build, and then it's got this little base with the egg on it and everything. On the back, of course, it's got Kids Go Free to Legoland thing. And then yeah, just kind of like stuff. And you can see pieces in the back too. So let's open this thing up. So I'll just go cut along here with these scissors, just like this. And also want to mention something real quick. You see this white stuff up here? This is from like a tag that I ripped off, but it's the sticky stuff left, you know. You probably know what that is. But yeah, that's just what that is up there. And according to the Polybag, it might look like clouds though. But okay, these pieces right here. So let me show you them. These are the pieces. I kind of organized them, not too much, but so these are some snot bricks right here. So this is like a small one. This came with it. It's just like a small snot brick with studs on all sides. And these two pieces right here, I don't have one of these yet, but you can put them together like this in like a 2x2 cube with studs on all sides, which is really cool. So these pieces are a pretty cool piece to have and everything, but it also comes with two of these green like half circle plates right there. So combine them and it makes two. Of course, combine them it makes a whole circle one. And then it's just got like white pieces and yellow pieces for the chick and the egg. So let me show you the instructions real quick, and then I can get building. These instructions, front cover and the back cover right there, and then it just shows you how to build it pretty much. One thing I thought was weird is you build the sides of the chick, like its eye and its cheek and stuff, like on the side, and you put that side onto the chick. So it's, it's kind of, it's a little weird. It's all like on plates kind of. The snot bricks go in the middle and that holds the plates on. And then on the other side you can see the other stuff that's built with it too. So yeah, let me do a time lapse of me building this. So I finished it, as you probably saw, and then the chick sits in them just like that. The chick, I'll start with the chick first. So it has like cheeks right here, the pink cheeks and stuff. I think that looks a little weird because like pokes out and everything, but it works, I guess. But its nose is like just cone. But its head is super close to its feet. Its head, and well, its whole body is close to its feet. Like this is its feet, and then this is the rest of its body. Like its head is giant too. So yeah, I don't know. But the tail is like back here. It's one of these yellow pieces. Has a few of these on it. Uses them for the wings too. And I thought this one actually used the black like snot bricks, but this one does. You can see them in there. But yeah, this is the chick. It uses these. It makes this curve right here, which I think looks pretty nice. Like just that little curve. It's just a little something, but I thought that was a little nice. But down here, I don't know what these little white things are. I think they're supposed to be cracked eggshells, but I didn't know eggshells are separated completely equally, the same distance from the eggshell. I thought they should be a little scattered, but I don't know. The black piece inside, I can show you it real quick. The two black pieces right there. I thought that was going inside the chick, not the egg. But it went inside the egg. So the egg build, I don't think it's too bad. Like you could get these same pieces and build on top of it. I think it would look pretty good for an egg. But the chick can go inside the egg. It just sits in there like that. Really simple. It doesn't like connect or anything. And it can go either way also. But also something that I realized, there's like a plate indent in each of one of these, which I thought was pretty interesting how they did that. So that's the build right there. It's got the green base and everything too. And let me show you the spare pieces real quick. So I bring these out, I can zoom in real quick like this. So it's got one spare cheek piece, an eye, a blue stud, a yellow mini slope, and a yellow 1x1 plate, which I barely have any of these, so this is really nice to get a spare of. But yeah, those are the spares. Okay guys, so it's it for the video. This was the second day of Polybag week, the last Polybag for this Polybag week in July. The first Polybag video of this one you can check down below, it'll be in the description, and the whole playlist of Polybag weeks will also be down in the description too. But yeah, as always, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell.